Hello everyone, welcome to the HSK2 standard course, Lesson 13. 门开着呢. The door is open. And in today's class, we will focus on the grammar part. And in this class, there will be two grammar parts waiting for you. So now let's get started with grammar part 1. The aspect particle, 这. So, in the grammar part 1, I'm going to show you how do we use 这 in Chinese sentence and how do you translate the Chinese sentence with 这. Okay? Alright, the first sentence of this grammar part. A verb followed by the aspect particle 这 can indicate the continuation of a state. I think you know what does continuation of a state mean, right? So now I'm just going to show you the examples so you will know how it works in Chinese through some certain examples. Okay, so this chart, there is the basic sentence structure. The subject with a verb, with 这 with object. So this line, all these three words, they are the subject. And here, this line, they are the verbs. And here, 这, and then the last part is the object. Okay, example 1. 门开着. This is a sentence the same as our title of lesson 13. 门开着呢. So here I just omit 呢. Okay, it doesn't affect the meaning. So 门开着呢 or 门开着, it means the door is open. The door is open. This is the present tense. Okay, the door is open. We say 门开着. 开, it means open. Alright, here, second one. 他们穿着红色的衣服. 好，他们 is they. 穿 as a verb, remember? This is a 词汇 that we learned in this lesson. Okay, 穿意思是 put on or wear. 这 okay, 红色的衣服. 红色 this is the color. This is the color of red. 衣服 remember? 衣服的意思是 cloth. So 红色的衣服 red cloth. Okay, so the meaning of this sentence is they wear red cloth. Okay, they wear red cloth. Alright, example 3. 他拿着铅笔. 铅笔意思是 pencil. And 拿 this word, remember, it has multiple meanings. 拿, it means to hold, to take, to bring. So here, 拿着铅笔, we better translate it as in hold the pencil. So 他拿着铅笔, he holds pencil. Okay? So this is the 这, this is the aspect particle 这. And now this is the basic sentence form, right? Now let's see how the negative form works. Okay, negative form. So just remember, whenever we use the negative form, there has to be a negative word, right? So there are two negative words in Chinese. One is 不, another one is 没. Okay. So in this negative form, we use the word 没, and the 没, this negative word should be linked with verb. It should be put before the verb. Alright, so the sentence structure changes into subject with 没, verb with 这, with an object. Okay, example 1, negative form. 门没开着. 门没开着什么意思? The door is not open. The door is not open. Okay, this is the example 1. And then example 2. 他们穿着红色的衣服，意思是 they wear red clothes. And now negative form. 他们没穿着红色的衣服。They don't wear red clothes. Okay. The last one. 他拿着铅笔 He holds pencil. Negative form. 他没拿着铅笔 He doesn't hold the pencil. He doesn't hold pencil. Okay. This is the negative form. 好，下面跟我读statement form. Yeah, positive sentence comes first. Okay. 第一个，门开着，意思是 the door is open. Second one, 他们穿着红色的衣服，意思是 they wear red clothes. 第三个，他拿着铅笔 he holds pencil. Alright, now let's try the negative form. 第一个，门没开着 the door is not open. 第二个，他们没穿着红色的衣服 they don't wear the red cloth. 第三个，他没拿着铅笔 he doesn't hold pencil. He doesn't hold pencil. 好， these are the positive and the negative forms. Now we still have one more form, which is a interrogative form, which also means the question form. So in the interrogative form or in the question form, 没有 is added at the end of this sentence. Okay, is added at the end of this sentence. Pay attention. The end. So now the sentence form has changed into this one. All these things from the beginning to here stay the same, but then there is just one more line here, which is 没有意思是 don't have. Okay, but here 没有 the meaning has changed. Now let's see it. Still the same example. 门开着意思是 the door is open. And then if we add 没有 at the end, this sentence becomes the question form. And we say 门开着没有？跟我读，门开着没有？ Take a guess. What does this mean? 门开着没有？ It means, is the door open or not? Is the door open or not? We say 门开着没有？ Okay, example 2. 他们穿着红色的衣服，意思是 they wear red clothes. And then with 没有 at the end, the meaning has changed into do they wear red clothes or not? Do they wear red clothes or not? Okay, 跟我读，他们穿着红色的衣服没有？ Okay, example 3. 第三个，他拿着铅笔 he holds pencil. With 没有 we say, does he hold pencil or not? Does he hold pencil or not? Okay, 跟我读，他拿着铅笔没有？他拿着铅笔没有？ So this is how the interrogative form works. Okay,跟我读 one more time. 门开着没有？他们穿着红色的衣服没有？他拿着铅笔没有？ Alright, so in the grammar part 1, I just showed you 3 forms on how to use 这 in Chinese sentence. Okay, now let's move to the grammar part 2. Grammar part 2. Here, in this part, we'll just focus on this one. The rhetorical question. rhetorical question. 不是吗？不是吗？ Okay, 不是 means it's not, which is a negative form. 不是吗？ Okay. 好 the sentence, which is the explanation. 不是吗 is often used to remind someone of something or to show confusion. Okay. 好 examples. 第一个，不是说今天有雨吗？ Okay, this one. First, we need to find out 不是吗 first because this is a sentence structure. And now let's focus on the middle part, okay, which is this part. 说 this one. Remember? 说的意思是 to say, to speak, to talk. 今天有雨 This is a sentence which we learned in lesson 1 class. I mean level 1 class, I'm sorry. 今天有雨 that means it rains today. It rains today. 说今天有雨 say 今天有雨 say today there is rain. Alright, with 不是吗 How can we translate this sentence into English one? Pay attention. The rhetorical question. Okay? So in English we say, isn't it said there's rain today? Isn't it said there's rain today? So this English sentence in Chinese we say, 不是说今天有雨吗？好 this is the example 1. Now example 2. This sentence is a bit longer. Okay. 你不是中国人吗？怎么不会说汉语 even though this sentence is long, but it's pretty easy. Okay, first, 你 this is the subject, which means you. 不是吗 the sentence structure, the rhetorical question structure. 中国人什么意思 A Chinese person. So you Chinese person, and then with 不是吗 So we say, aren't you a Chinese person? Aren't you a Chinese person? That's the first half of this sentence. Alright, second half. 怎么不会说汉语？怎么意思是 why or how come? 不会不 is a negative word. 会有两个意思 has two meanings. One is will, like I will go to school tomorrow. Okay, so will. And the second meaning is can, like I can eat chicken, I can drink coffee, can. Okay, so here 会 is used as can. 不会意思是 cannot. 说汉语 Okay, I think we are quite familiar with this phrase. 汉语 is Chinese language. 说汉语 speak Chinese. So 怎么不会说汉语 Why can't speak Chinese? So this whole sentence in English is, aren't you a Chinese person? Why can't you speak Chinese? Alright, now let's take a look at the English version. Aren't you from China or aren't you a Chinese person? They are the same thing. Why can't you speak Chinese? 怎么不会说汉语 Okay, so these two examples introduce how do we use 不是吗 in Chinese. Okay, so the example 1, 不是说今天有雨吗？意思是 Isn't it that there's rain today? Example 2, 你不是中国人吗？ Aren't you a Chinese person or aren't you from China? 怎么不会说汉语 Why can't you speak Chinese? I think this is pretty easy. I mean the rhetorical question. How do we use 不是吗 in Chinese? I think this is not hard. Okay, so that's all for the grammar part 2, and that's all for today's grammar part. Okay, so we'll just end here and bye.